Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2019 Kia Sorento LX all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks awesome. You got the projector-style headlights right up front there, and coming around the side we do have our 17-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, they look great. You got that heated exterior mirror right there with your turning signals, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have that GDI badging with the Kia and the Sorento. You can open it up just right here. It does have your backup camera right there as well, and lots of room back here. You can fold these guys up and you got your jack underneath there, as well as you got some storage just underneath there and some more storage on the side there, and then you can fold it back down just like that. Okay, we got our keys here, we got our lock up here, we have our unlock there, our button to open up the back, and we also have our our panic right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Nice kind of wood finish up here. Got a handle here and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here as well. The cloth seats are very comfortable. They feel great. Got the controls over the seats right there. And then up here we do have the in-cabin light control and our traction control with that one that opens up our gas. And then we do have our controls over lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our turning signals and high beams there. Let's start her up, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now it is telling us that there might be ice on the road and that we do need some fuel, but we can also switch that around. So it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 29,000. We can switch it around to our different options like the user settings, our kilometers, and then we have different options all through there as well. Now that is also controlled from right here with your different options for your cruise control, horn in the center, and then your voice options and Bluetooth with your volume up and down. And then over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. In the center we do have a touchscreen display. It looks awesome. You do have your radio options, so you have your AM and FM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up. You have your different seek options, volume up and down with the power. You have your home over here. You also have your phone. You have your star there, which is your custom button. Then you got your setup, and then you do also have your selector there. Then down here we do have the power up and down for the climate, your defrosts, AC, then you have your mode there, and your temperature control over here with the circulation, heated seats and steering wheel here with the USB and aux cord plug-in. Got your gear shift here, and when you are in reverse you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. You got your cup holders here with some storage here and here, and then you do also have some storage in there, and you do have your drive mode right over here. Then over here you do have some storage. It is a lock-in glove box. And up top you do have a sunglass holder and the controls over your lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle and control over your windows. A handle here and some storage right down here. Looks awesome in here as well. So it seats 5 people all together. Lots of room for that. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold these seats down just right here. And then that does give you, just fold that down, gives you extra room to store stuff. There's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2019 Kia Sorento. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.